Hold on. Sure. Alright, this is behind the scenes of Des and Jess Productions. So here's the door. My room. So you come in. There's that cool lava lamp. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Yeah, my bed's not made and has a bunch of junk on it. But here's another big lava lamp. What time is it, guys? Okay. Some crap on the floor. A lock. Stupid DS that I slept on. Some laundry. Oh yeah, me and Des shoot hoops on this thing. Pimp. Yes. Okay, yeah, I'm a fan of the Jets. Got a problem? Yeah, here's your calendar. Josh Hutcherson is my biggest fan.
Talking mushrooms.
That is autograph from Drake. Oh my god. Here's my ugly class picture. And yeah, here's some crap.
Oh, did you see that kid with the afro? Yeah, that's my boyfriend.
Here's some jewelry. Me gusta. Okay.
I love how you like.
Here's a whiteboard that we write on. Okay, now here's the biggest part where we did our first two videos.
I love how you just like catch me in the middle of doing my makeup, like taking my makeup
Is
off
this
in my last video.
Our dresser, her makeup, and here's Des taking off her makeup from the last video we did. It's a little stuck, you know. Des, move for a minute.
Oh my god.
So here's the whole thing. It's a little messy, but it's clean because, like, here's Des's crap here, and yeah. So that is behind the scenes with Jess and Des Productions. So I hope you guys join us and, you know, subscribe and yeah. Here's Des. Okay. Bye.